Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we'll cover all and any. Let's get started. All is the function that takes sequence as a parameter and returns true if all the elements in a sequence are true, or if a sequence is empty, and false if any element in the sequence is false. Any is the function that takes sequence as a parameter, return true if at least one element of a sequence is true, and false if all the elements are false or if a sequence is empty. Let's see the general syntax of all and any. So here we have all function and sequence as a parameter. Likewise, any function and sequence as a parameter. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. Let's see some example to understand how all and any function works. I'm gonna make a list. Let's say L equal to true, true. Now I'm gonna pass this list within all function. If I check out the output, it will return true because all the element in the list is true. Now what if I change the last element of the list as false? It will return false because all the elements are not true. Let's go ahead and understand how any works. So I'm gonna make a list. Let's say X equal to false, false. Now I'm gonna pass the list within any function. Let's say any function, pass list X as a parameter. If I check out the output, it will return false because all the element in the list are false. Now what if I change the last element of the list as true? It will return true because one element in the list X is true. That's all about all and any function. See you in the next lecture.
Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे
Q&A 6th.
Till then, practice and thank you for watching.